If you're only serving sweet potatoes at Thanksgiving as a side dish, honey, you've been doing it all wrong. This right here, this is an appetizer with sweet potato that'll make jaws drop and guests swoon. We're talking perfectly roasted, California-grown sweet potato rounds of all colors, caramelized to golden perfection on a screaming hot baking sheet. Next comes the spices and the garlic, and then the broth, creating a rich, bubbly pan sauce that turns these bites into full-blown flavor bombs. Top each one with blue cheese crumbles, toasted walnuts, pistachios, and the best part, a little bit of honey to bring it all home. Sweet, savory, and totally addictive. This isn't just a fall appetizer, it's the new MVP of your holiday table, your new secret weapon for holiday season hosting. Grown, harvested, and packed by hand right here in the Golden State.